Can you believe it? The only app that matters, Microsoft Excel 365, 800 pages. The book is finally out. Here's my library of Excel books from the very first VisiCalc and Lotus, 150 Excel books. But this one, this is everything. Everything that's possible with Microsoft 365 Excel. And guess what? There's an index in the back. And lots of you are used to searching by PDF, but this index is better than that. Not only that, but the table of contents in the front, you can use this as a reference or read it straight through from beginning to end to have fun with Excel and become awesome with Excel. Hey, this is available at Amazon, and in the link below the video between August 4th and August 8th, Mr. Excel has this on sale for $28.88 at the link below. All right, have fun with Excel. Microsoft 365 Excel, the only app that matters.